how to find Facebook language settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find Facebook language settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then just click these three lines in the top corner, click on it, and here just go down. Now here you will find it, language, just click on it. And as you see here, here you can change Facebook language, and you can change it to anything you want just by one click. And that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.